Some might be a bonus blue. I mean, him there. Buckman,
Mr. Bonez.
Bruh, it's been a journey.
Oh, Mr. Bonez, not gonna say.
How many years in the game? Because a new way about 8 years.
Anyway,
Another 10.
211.
Yeah, 20. So like 12 years.
12 years now. Yeah. It's not easy. 12 years.
And I only Sunshine, Young Rich, so another one.
And also you 212.
You have other collaborations as well. Yeah. And you became Jenny, no. Who are you to because I didn't feel best any.
Serious, official. Okay, me first say start me studio first time there. 203.
2003.
Yeah.
Into 20 years down the lane.
Yeah. 203. And my first time in studio say me a demo.
Wow.
It not be easy.
But yeah, Ben, who is in your man cast about
211 for my first master track. This track here, boy.
When it's Sunshine
yeah,
Day.
when it's Sunshine, tonight is on night. 211.
And this song was a new way had the public acceptance and now man for any home.
Yeah.
Because that time Sunshine was Charlie and is it a waiver?
Shine. Is it only Ghana for now?
Only Ghana by out in Candy.
Oh, me Tineka.
No,
it's only low.
Low.
Heard your cosa.
Na be buonyum to ho ana.
Nah, nyane sa. But obeba back.
But onyama.
Yeah. The Sunshine be back hard for serious.
But Buckman, now looking at your journey, 20 years, Anna when you are genuine to ho, then let's say 12 years.
Yeah.
And now what did you about thing? 12 years in the game. Send out basic account. How has it been for you?
This journey, it's been like rough and smooth. Yeah, rough and smooth. Like at times you feel like things are going on well. At times now I say, I say, what you are expecting, you are not getting it. So let me say, it's rough and smooth. Yeah, it's rough and smooth. That's that.
But because has music been fair to you as an artist?
For what I'm expecting there, yeah, because I want to reach to a certain level. When we are mentioned maybe 5 or 3 top artists in Ghana, I'll be back. That's my vision, to be top there. So, me nyan reach that area. So, me like I say, me nyan new baby America.
But meaning say within your space, any idea they all share the kind of music that you do, and how Ghana sound, keeps evolving every now and then, way back. As a musical artist, sometimes I know coupled with some challenges.
Yeah.
I mean, where you find yourself, Became, which is part of the Bono and Ahafo region, and then going to match him
now
Ahafo region, and looking at how Ghana and Kasa. We are practicing decentralized system, but it's almost like centralized because everything revolves around the capital.
Yeah.
People in Kumasi are crying. Tamale soon, Ahafo soon, Bono soon, Easton soon, Obie soon, because it looks like I say M1 Shedamba. Where you're coming from? What has been the biggest or some of the challenges Albert may share with us as an artist from Ahafo region?
Yeah, from Ahafo region. It's like I say, a binyanti game nasisa. A binyanti game nasisa. So, you as an artist, no, you know your vision. When I win baby, I will hear the it is a yanti asia and on and chess as a order. Yeah. So, we are doing our best. See, bit yama or my and ya give me on Betia, who said the name city. So, we are doing it, and now. It's not like those days now want to game national. That's what I say. So right now, improvement. Sorry, excuse. Improvement. Man will say I say boys need force. Once or more forcing there, let's support, let's push them. So and right now things are going on over there. I can see say no matter to the craft.
Is it yeah?
Is it more than that?
No, Asante Buckman, yes, I'll tell now over coat. Oh, me and I can say sometimes like we want to sugarcoat things just to make our people feel good. But say near man ye timuna nkasa na enkoya ye na ebehu ni aka.
Yeah.
To rewrite our wrongs.
Yeah. It's say
support from a half origin.
As we all know.
Not long ago na ye bono and half. And check ran na say ye team ultimate me aka na bono and half origin. That part music send a city ankasa support
investing on artist or in an artist there
anyhow
now
can that's what they want to say there yeah na say there yeah me was what they onim there oh
no there anyhow say obi beka say Buckman my pick Buckman maybe investor Buckman hono and those stuffs na there to me who be sir I know there seriously anyhow but I say usua wabre usua chire hwan bi pa so dey chire no
sure
so esa wa force no push on that's what I've been doing nti me hu we ni tentem
sa problem
no sa problem ni tentem nti no me sake me fast say no me trust ya me yakokra na me see music mentini anye because no one is out there trying to push you no one so and I'm starting kakra those days na no school. Last time I say we treat construction.
Yeah.
Those that tonight and night construction see come there. Things are no me hard. In fact construction see come on phone. But I say.
And you know okobo construction
serious.
Now they be invest on you.
Yeah. Because no one is out there to support you. And one thing is I feel like no one is believing in you. One kasauju husudiana. Me Jimmy Hoodie from Tamamiswa. Me say me music to me. Me discover no Tamamiswa. It's me so nyina me friends na me who say me musician.
Yeah.
Among them. It is a business also be no problem. But me the na me say me musician. So as in investing on an artist there, it's not there like that. Game no and on hold the omunyanti on asesa. Ono who ni say on me for the me she will move. But what that me who is antem ntino me ana my investing in what now. I'm here.
Now artist to artist, I mean we all find ourselves in the space. Baby a yenina any so I don't say be a be relationship between artist to an artist in that part. Senecity. Mwankasa, are you collaborating?
Yeah, no. Yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. Me who any problem be there, but it's just like everybody is trying to push him or herself for now.
Okay. Each one for himself.
Yeah.
God for us all.
Yeah. So, me who say yeah pushing a group baby now who's a feed and more swa. Ultimate class and bois invest on other guys now. So we want to make a certain you per se you must some benchmark be. But what I say?
Yeah.
Now like past sack did. Who's a sack nya that benchmark na feel what the boys she and my almost blew fast. So that's the main reason why I build the Bmusic entertainment. So and they by boys they cool. Only my future back of
Now Bmusic entertainment the main reason how they are setting up that I should say a new or a young label.
Yeah.
And they say you want to be there and support your own as well.
Yeah.
But Mami Misa say now the years are already young for the past 12 years and still being in the game. This time around, I mean 2023, I've heard there's a big event which is about to go down.
Yeah.
Is it under Bmusic no?
Under Bmusic Entertainment. That's first album from Bmusic Entertainment.
First album, Asante Buckman.
Asante Buckman,
album.
First ever album. You better done a D. where Saturday
That's
4th November.
Yeah. This very Saturday.
This coming Saturday.
The album no, and you saying also
11 tracks.
11.
Yeah. 11 tracks.
Features whom?
Features here 4.
Okay.
Features here 4. Starting I'm featuring too much. It's in there features. I mean, best of my album na Asante Buckman features. That na me person say but not person this album yet. What's the title here? And then there was B.
Yeah.
Meaning then there was Buckman. Like as we are saying 211.
Yeah.
So it's a Buckman the album about I say to me 99%
of himself. Yeah.
And see starting first track no tonight and we feature Sunshine. Second we feature Sunshine and Young Rich. Yeah. Then we feature Lisa.
Yeah, Lisa.
I Will Die For You.
I Will Die For You.
Nah, who say no? I have made featuring too much. Because next time I'm targeting for the album. Na me pause featuring. To fit after ba ko ba nyina na me any happy nyina na me alone. Sa in the last year na me feature one hot guy ba ko with Kofi Gachi.
Okay.
Yeah, made it torso. Doggy.
All right. So this Saturday, inside Bichim Junction. Signature Pub. That is where the album launch and the course. And the Bmusic.
Yeah, Bmusic Entertainment.
Bmusic Entertainment. Time near time, babe.
So 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Now red carpet has started.
Okay.
8 p.m. Now red carpet has started. The red carpet may be to 9 p.m. Then now program now started from 9 p.m. So 8 p.m. we will be oba red carpet no. Our home will be
Memo a minute. Invite the people that you love to see them there.
All right.
Invite the people that you know that they need to pull up for you. Yeah. Within 30 seconds to 45 to a minute. Over to you, Jolati.
So, there is Asante Buckman. You know, this is my first ever album on earth. And Mr. Bichim for any great Bichim was in a tepa, Bia Panta, Sunyane, Kumase, Ubiamra, Bichim Junction, Signature Pub, air coming Saturday, 4th November 2023, 8 p.m. The program started. Mr. Ubiamra, no Bian friend, Munyambeta program, Nechi, then you crab.
And the name is Asante Buckman, and he has been doing this for the past 12 years and still in the game, hoping that he could build a record label that will support young, promising talents. Because where he's coming from, the base has no support, and it's very important that we push him to the top. Asante Buckman, that Saturday, we're all pulling up in our numbers because I'll be there to support him. So myself and the team, we're going to pull up in Bichim this Saturday. So I'm going to be there at Signature Pub this Saturday. And it's going to be too much fireworks inside Bichim, and I know you're going to love it. Okay, so 11 songs, as you said, on the album.
Yes.
11 songs.
11.
And the title of the album is?
And Then There Was B.
And Then There Was B. And Then There Was B is the album title. Saturday there, you bet you
straight up.
Any quick shout outs now for you know, you wrap it up.
Big shout out to Tima or more time at the program maybe so. Best Cappy Benzi, Aboko, Dibos, Slim Biggie, DJ Tevati of High Radio, DJ Kenzie Black of Nkoso.
Yeah.
Menshia Radio no.
Opimso. Nkoso hana Opimso
so. Yeah, that's DJ Kenzie Black. And then 05. Big shout out to Scato Fresh. Then to Black still go shine Blacker. Green Boy Creativity on the AM flyers name everything or Ashtown Butcher Boy.
Blacker is my boy, he's my brother, yes.
Blacker on the AM flyers and me t-shirts, as about t-shirts
Charlie.
And then Lionel Secret, big shout out to you. Big shout out to UNA. To my mom, my dad, my brothers, my sister. Shout out to Bichimay.
So we are all pulling up.
I got it straight up.
All right, so the name is Asante Buckman, and let me say thank you to the production team in here. Isaac Ansu, I would say camera one, super amazing guy, very supportive, and I like his vim and his energies as well. To the director of this great show, I'd like to say thank you to you, Whitney Truth, heavily supported by Director Nat. To my sound and lighting people, Mr. Samuel Sapon, ably supported by Nana Kwame Sunday. To my guys at the MC, I'd like to say thank you to you, Ike, to you, Desmond, to you, Ezekiel, to you, Sammy, to you, Boaten, and to Desmond, to the digital office, let me say thank you to Yao Pages, to you, Trap, to you, Gaza Stana, to Nana B, to Ray Charles Maffo, to my graphic and motions department, let me say thank you to you, beautiful Chantel, to you, John McLevels, and to you, Robert Sapon, aka Brackers, aka Joe Quintani Saquano, where Jimmy Ruff. And also, shout outs going out to my EODs and my TODs. I'd like to say thank you to you, Sami Jemfi, to you, Kofi Inti, to Solomon Atiku, to Kofi Amankwadi Ayaman, to Raymond Percy, to Eugene Ashanti, to Amos Lai, to Seth Achia Mensa, and to other guys inside Kumasi and Accra. I'd like to say thank you so much. You far too kind. And also to the production team, I'd like to say thank you to Chili Chills, to XY, to producers elsewhere, Mark Berry, to you, Tom Omar, to Seth Dako, to the rest of the production team inside Kumasi, Accra, and everywhere around the world. I'd like to say thank you so much, and you far too kind. And also to you, to the big family, to the I family, to the I crew, to the I team, I'd like to say thank you so much for allowing some space into your homes, into your offices, into your cars, wherever that you log down to the best show. My name is Nanose Kessben. Just call me Mr. Bones, aka Mr. Incredible, SKA. Now say, I would like to say, live long where you belong. Do no wrong as you live along. Just be strong like a nylon, but please and please don't bite like a python. And Buckman, you wanted to add something quick?
Yeah. Venu no.
Venu.
Signature pop. Una no.
Yeah.
Bed.
Bed.
Yeah, bed man.
Okay.
Big shout out to you, okay?
All right. So that's all about it. And like I said, thank you so much. Let's show some love on Saturday inside Big Shame. That is where the action is going to take place. And I love you, the love of God. And it's been great having you at the other side of the television doing the watching. And God bless you. Friday, we have an amazing package for you. So make dates with us 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. on your TV screens. It's bye-bye for now.
You feel happy, not gonna make you feel lonely. I'm gonna make you feel happy, not gonna make you feel lonely. Now for some girl, I just sick of you. Cause I really wanna be close to you. If you saw me woman, you're strong. It's a friend, I want me wanko. Oh, hey man, forget you, yeah. Yeah, remember the first time I met this lady. I swear this girl, they were the most strong con. She they walk some way, me busana baby, what's here? What's the kuto baby? Yeah, kuto baby, wish anybody cramasa, wo beka se wonko baby. She my kind of girl, daddy be, papa go is I'm like Dell. See me di be boom boom, 80 other was so far would be boom.